welcome to the channel. This video is all about symmetrical representation of images in Photopea. So before we get into that, I would like to give a shout out to the YouTubers. Their pictures are going to be used in this video. The first person here is Lucy Insights. If you are not a subscriber to her channel, please kindly subscribe to her channel and go enjoy her videos. The second person is Moments with Koti. She's into education, family, beauty, food and lifestyle. If you are not a member, please, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please go subscribe to her channel and show her the love and enjoy her videos as well. So let's get started. But before then, let me show you what we're gonna create in this Photopea web application. Here we go. You can see symmetry, the quality of being made up of exactly similar parts facing each other. So you can see they are symmetrically represented, as you can see. And the second part we're gonna create in this is let's have a look, is this one. You can see how beautiful they look together. And after that we go for this part. So let's go click on new project, and I think I'm gonna be using the bigger size YouTube. Great. Let me change the background. Right click on the background and then blending options. So here I will have to go open and place, import one of the pictures. Let me go for Koti, double click. Here we go. We're gonna apply two methods of transforming this symmetrically. So once we're here, make sure that you have this you have to go to move tools, click on that move tools, then make sure that these are ticked, the auto select and the transform controls are ticked. Then on your keyboard, let me go get my on-screen keyboard. So on your keyboard, go click on Control and letter J. That will give you a copy, as you can see, of this. So since we have a copy, let's take it out, and you can see that we selected the color. It's highlighted, showing that this Koti copy is selected. What we have to do now is to you can just untick this part, then go for edit and navigate to transform, and here flip horizontally. You can see we have it. You can join them together if you want. Have a look. Beautiful. Is that not beautiful? It's beautiful. So this the second method is let me keep it down here. What you can do with this one, let's go ahead and delete the copy, for example, and here click on this transform controls, then on your keyboard again use the Ctrl J, Ctrl and letter J to duplicate it. You can see we have Koti. So when you're here, what you have to do now is to hold down the shift key. When you click on that, when you hold down the shift key on your keyboard, then from here drag it from here, this part, you can see the middle part, place your cursor there and drag it and push it to this part. You can see beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So you can do Ctrl D, and that is done. Click outside. So done. Beautiful. So the same thing we can do with Lucy's picture. So we have there are two pictures here, and we have to go for Lucy inside. I will have to go for File, Open and Place. Here is Lucy's picture, and here we go. So what I can do now is to just duplicate it by using Ctrl and letter J. Once that is done, you can see we have Lucy, we have a copy of it. Then what you have to do here is to hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then drag it from this middle part and move it over. Beautiful. Again, Ctrl J will give us a copy. So once you have a copy of this Lucy's picture, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then pull it from up here, from up, and pull it down, 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 down. You can see. Beautiful. Okay. Ctrl letter J to duplicate it. But now you can see that I did not activate the transform controls. I will go and do that, and then I will. Okay, let's do that again. Control key. Okay. Beautiful. If you want to select like all the pictures, what you have to do is to each of them, and you see we selected all of them. Let me go ahead and delete them. Okay, so what we can do now is to go import the last image, open and place. That is this jury, and open. So we have it here. What we can do is to go to the image and see what we have. Image size, the inches, we have 36. We can work with this, but let me see if we can decrease that to 8. Then after that I will go hit the tab button. Yeah, that will give us 4. So here, okay, what you can do here, let's select that, is to then we can duplicate that by using Ctrl and the letter J, as you can see. So what we can do now is to hold down the Shift key, okay, and then drag it from here. Here we go. Here we go, as you can see. So we can zoom in. So you can see, beautiful. Another thing we can do here, the last part of this is when you have it this way, let's go and click on the select move tool and click on the transform controls. Now we have to make use of our keyboard to create a copy of that. So Ctrl letter J will give us a copy, Okay, now you can take it from here, but remember, before you take it, this shift key, you must hold down the shift key as you, so we have to drag it from the middle and put it this side, as you can see, and then this by holding down the shift key and click on this, and hold down the shift key and drag this down. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and God bless you. So when you are done with your project, what you have to do is to go for File, then navigate to Export as PNG. Click on PNG, and we go for name for this project. You can resize your image here if you want. Let it be at 100% quality, and click on Save. That will take you to your file explorer. What you have to do here is to look for where to save it. You might create a folder and add it inside the folder, or you can equally choose these downloads and then click on Save. So remember, we saved that with Jury 5. So if I go back to my file explorer and go to the downloads, and here you can see it up here, Jury 5.